Hello, all you wonderful people out there. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Right, what we're going to do today. What's on the recipe today, Jim? If you're from England and you're in your 50s or 60s, you probably know what that means. San Marino. It's quite a nice looking coin. I like the centre bit as well. I should try and do something with that one day. 1,000 lira. Pretty spacey-fied, isn't it? Aliens. Any of you people believe in aliens? Or, you know, is there anything out there? I believe there is. We can't be the only ones around, can we? So, I have to knock that centre bit out. So, I'll put a ball bearing on top of it. And hopefully, that should punch out. Just like that. This is a doming block. I don't really use it much. I should do, really. Right, put my ball bearing back in the bag, or I'll lose it, like everything else in my life I lose. Right, let's clean it up a bit. This is going to be a narrow banded ring, obviously. There you go. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Right, let's warm it up a bit. I don't know if it's going to fit on my ring stretcher, is it? Yeah, it is. Right. Do I need the fire starter? If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. I do custom work. You can send me your own coins if you want. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I don't just do rings now. I've started making bracelets, cufflinks, keychains, all the coins involved, earrings. I think it's something else, but I can't quite remember what it is. And in next month, I'll be incorporating, because I'm a glass artist as well, I will be incorporating dichroic glass into some of my coins. They won't be rings, they'll be pendants. But guys will be able to wear them, and obviously the ladies. Okie dokie, there you go. So I think there's not much going on there. So we want this on the outside of the ring. So we need a 17-degree die. That one's perfect. We go over to Big Red. And we'll give it the old 1-2. One, two. There you go. I'll clean the edge up a bit more now. It's exciting, isn't it? I can tell. You're on the edge of your seats, aren't you? Yeah. Bit more. Right, let's go over. I'll get a bit more kitchen roll. Let's go over to the one and only Spike. I should have some music for this part, shouldn't I? You know, da 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 da. Like Thunderbirds or something. Right, this is a ring stretcher, and he stretches your ring. The kitchen roll just keeps the losing the detail from inside of the coin ring. It's very soft. A bit like me, I'm soft. Not looking too bad. Bit more. Oh. There you go, folks. I suppose, what do you reckon? It ain't too bad. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. Probably doesn't need this really, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. There we go. Dry it off. Right, let's go to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. I'm just looking for one. It fits in with some of it protruding. I love that word. Once you've got something protruding, that's all that matters in life, doesn't it, really? Right. And you're looking to straighten the walls up. A bit more. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. Looking pretty sexy. Did you know if you drink Pepsi, it keeps you sexy? Not a lot of people know that. Now you do. I expect you all out to go out today and buy yourself a big bottle of Pepsi. And then you'll all be sexy. A bottle of Pepsi here. I looked at the price. I don't usually look at prices when I buy anything. I just chuck it in the basket. A bottle of Pepsi, €4.50. In English money, that's about £3.70. £3.70 for a bottle of bloody Pepsi. So I put it back, and I bought a bottle of Coke, their own store. It's bloody nice, it's drinkable, you know. I'm a typical bloke, you just go in there, chuck everything in a basket, and because we don't go shopping once a week, I go every day. Because we never know what we're having. If I go there with my girlfriend, we get the basket. We stand in the middle of the aisle, and I say to her, what do you want for dinner? She says, oh, I don't know. And she never knows what she wants, ever. And then I say to her, well, how about this? And she says, oh no, I don't want that. And we stand there for about 5 bloody minutes deciding what to have for dinner. It's funny, like, you know, I like it. We're both exactly the same as each other, you know, which works out good. She's lucky she's got me, really. I've only got her. No, you know, it's the way I tell them. Now that I like, that is, I mean, this hasn't been patinaed, but look at that. That's really nice. I like that. I'm not going to clean it anymore. I'm not going to do any more to it. To me, that is perfect. But if you would like this ring polished, I'll polish it for you. Small. Right, what size we get? And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little button about there, little red button. You press that. Come on. Come on, don't be shy. Press it. You press that, you're automatically subscribed, and hit the bell icon. And then you can watch me make a fool of myself tomorrow, or every time I upload a video. Something usually goes wrong, or, you know. This is a size, can't see a jack, probably 12 and a quarter. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening, have a great morning, have a great afternoon, wherever you are. Love you all. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So, bye-bye.